When there's an ICE hold, you can't get out.
So
Yes.
once someone has an ICE hold label, what is the process with that? What happens with the criminal case in terms of like how do they affect each other and intersect?
Yeah, so normally if someone doesn't have criminal history or like they live locally, they have ties to their community, they usually get out, right? If you're charged or arrested for a crime. But when there's an ICE hold, you can't get out. So sometimes what we'll do, and this is where we have to like really talk to the family, talk to the client to see how strong your immigration case will be. Because if it's a really good immigration case, we're going to use the criminal case to kind of buy time so we can, that way when ICE takes you, we're ready. Because the thing about immigration right now is time is hurting a lot of lawyers because they'll get picked up by ICE. And then, the family members won't hear from their loved one who's detained by ICE for a few days and they don't know where they're at. Eventually, they'll get a call. Hey, I'm in Alligator Alcatraz. Or, hey, I'm here in Miami. Or, hey, I'm actually here in Georgia. But if we're able to use the criminal case to kind of keep you here temporarily, so that way when ICE does take you, we can try to keep you here in Florida so that you're not separated from your family. That's a strategy that usually we try to do for an immigrant family that's facing these type of issues. But it really just depends on how strong their case is and if they want to fight their case. And generally they do because their whole life is here.
Right. So when you're saying if they want to fight their case, you're talking about the immigration case.
A lot of clients, once they get into that, once they're in that environment where they've never been arrested before, they've never been in jail, they've been here for maybe 10, 15, 20 years, they got married, got kids, and their whole life pretty much is here.